How to fix if app crashing in phone 4a. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, update apps. Open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on your profile icon. Scroll down, click on manage apps and device. Click on update availables. Now here you will see update app, and if you want to update app, then click on update. After click on update, selected app will be updated from your phone, and if you want to update all app, then click on update all. After click on update all app will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix if app crashing in phone 4a. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.